Here we are still coming off the vastness of the mountain. Yeah, you can see up there all the snow we've crossed. There's my wife. We didn't go very far, but I got to show you this. Look at this. The elusive Bigfoot track. Right? Oh, just about fell over. Right there. Look at that. Look at how big that is compared to my foot. Wow. That's just amazing, isn't it? Shall we watch my wife try to... Yeah. So pretty up here. Some of those goats were just below the ridge in some of that rock. I watched them cross and get it back on top. But I'm not going up there. Nope, not me.